Congress party can every now and then come up with, oh, you're selling off the country, selling. That's something which they are very good at. Did they sell off the railway, New Delhi railway station? Is it owned by Jijaji now? Does he understand what is monetization? I wish the opposition questions with some homework done. Who actually monetized the Mumbai-Pune corridor? Was it not the Congress party? Was it not under the Congress party, which was headed by and is even now being headed by Srimati Sonia Gandhi? 8,000 odd crores was raised by that. New Delhi railway station. Who called for the RFP on it? Was it not the Congress party? Somewhere between 2008, 5, something like that. New Delhi railway station. RFP call for was made 27/10/2008. 2008. Who was the Prime Minister then? Who was the Finance Minister then? And I would definitely ask Shri Rahul Gandhi, who, even when the Prime Minister was abroad, when he thought one of the ordinances was so outrageous, he tore it up in front of the media. Did he tear this RFP call for the New Delhi railway station to be monetized? Did he tear this out? If he indeed is against monetization, why wasn't the RFP for monetizing New Delhi railway station torn to pieces by Shri Rahul Gandhi? Is this not monetization? And if this is monetization, then did they sell off the railway, New Delhi railway station? Is it owned by Jijaji now? Does he understand what is monetization? Congress party can every now and then come up with, oh, you're selling off the country, selling. That's something which they are very good at. They sold air, they sold water, they sold land, they sold mines, and made a lot of kickback with it. From 2014, I challenge, if there's been even an allegation, a whisper of allegation against Prime Minister Modi's government. The monetization pipeline that was announced by me day before yesterday, 2 days ago, there is no change of ownership. The ownership is still with Government of India. You in the media, particularly those who handle the business and finance and everything else, do understand it. I'm sure you will be able to ask the Congress party about the way in which they jump into conclusions and charge the government about, oh, you're selling away everything which has been built 70 years over. Something like that he did say. 70 years over they built. And what did happen during the Commonwealth Games? Within one Commonwealth Games, they finished all that which can be creamed out into the accounts of their cronies. That is their business, not the government of Prime Minister Modi's.